So, what actually happens when you take everything away? Imagine pointing your telescope, or just your mind, into the absolute deepest, darkest patch of that night sky. Now, I want you to mentally strip away the local planets. Erase the glowing stars of our Milky Way. Take away the dust clouds, the supermassive black holes, every single gravitational anchor you can think of. What truly remains when everything we consider to be a tangible thing is entirely stripped away? Are we just left with a static, empty box? Or is there something highly dynamic lurking out there in the dark? Part 1. Staring into the abyss, the ultimate cosmic mystery. In astronomy, we call these regions cosmic voids. They are essentially the ultimate negative space of the cosmos, just vast, seemingly empty regions that contain very few, if any, galaxies. Think about it like this. While galaxies and star clusters love to clump together under the relentless pull of gravity, voids are the exact opposite. They are these quiet, incredibly dark, and staggeringly expansive deserts that just lie there, between the bustling, heavy gravitational cities of the universe. Which brings us to part 2, defining the cosmic void and really wrapping our heads around the scale and perspective here. 330 million, that is how many light years across the Bootes' void is. It's literally one of the largest known underdensities in the entire observable universe. To put that insane scale of emptiness into perspective, a region of space that large should mathematically contain roughly 2,000 galaxies. 2,000! But the Bootes' void? It contains just 60. The isolation inside there is so profound that if our Milky Way galaxy had been placed dead in its center, humanity wouldn't have even known other galaxies existed until the 1960s. That's when our telescope technology finally got strong enough to peer across that massive empty gulf. The contrast between our everyday reality and a void is just staggering. In normal space, like right here inside a typical galaxy, interstellar space contains roughly 1 million atoms per cubic meter. It's an environment that's actually pretty thick with gas, dust, and matter. But the second you cross the threshold into a cosmic void, that density absolutely plummets to roughly 1 single atom per cubic meter. 1. It is the absolute closest thing to a perfect, pristine vacuum that exists anywhere in nature. Part 3. The illusion of nothingness. Let's deconstruct the myth. Because the absolute truth? Nothingness is a total myth. Think about the actual composition of the universe. Everything we can see, the matter that makes up you, me, the Earth, every single glowing star in the sky, only accounts for a measly 5% of the universe. 5%. The vast majority of reality is actually divided into these invisible, mysterious forces. We're talking 27% dark matter and a whopping 68% dark energy. So the void isn't empty at all. It's practically overflowing with the 95% of the universe that we just can't observe with traditional optics.